Okay, back to where we were started before we were so rudely interrupted. I wanted to try to clear up some confusion that's on seems to be every time we get a new pen turner, they invariably have a problem getting their blanks to fit the pens properly. This is a Sierra or a Wall Street. Actually, I can't tell the difference unless I take the barrel off of it, and then I can see the difference. But where the problem comes in is if the blank is not square, they have a problem with it fitting here and here. And they say, well, I squared my wood, I squared it, and I've heard a lot of advice given about how to square the wood. Let me blow that up by saying it don't make a bit of difference whether wood is square or not. That's right, that's what I said. It don't matter whether this wood is square, round, oblong, out of kilter. You could drill a hole through there at this angle, and often do get a hole that's crooked like that. What really matters is when you go to put that pen together, this face here, the face of this wood, has to be at a 90-degree angle to this tube going through there. Now, how are you going to achieve that? Well, there's several ways. One easy way is to put this on your lathe and turn it till you get it all the corners taken off and get it into a round form. At that point, the wood surface is parallel to the tube surface. So then you can use it on your belt sander or whatever. But people, I hate to knock people's products, but a barrel trimmer to me is a waste of money. It works sometimes. A lot of people have good results with them. If they do, that's fine. I don't. One, it don't cut smooth enough. Two, some types of wood, it tears them. Or spalted wood is very hard to do with any success on a barrel trimmer. So I use a sander. Now I'm going to have to change the angle of my camera to get it down on the sander, but I'm going to try to show you how I go about getting a true blank that will fit your pen parts when you go to put it together. And let me change the camera. Okay, this is a device that I built out of plywood. You can buy one from Penn State Industries made out of aluminum that works and works just as good. Some people may say works better than mine. I don't know, but I know mine works. And it's a pretty simple outfit to make. I won't go into a lot of details, but it's just a piece of plywood with a shoulder piece fixed on it, a slot cut in it where this piece can slide. This one fits your table. Now with any of these devices, your table here has got to be checked and be square with the face of your sander. That's the first thing. If this is not right, nothing else is going to work. Once you've got that square, then all of this was built square. You've got a working system here. Now the reason I built this and I like better than the PSI, I can pick this part up and put my blank on it and then set it back down. When I start sanding, I can move this way to get full use of the surface of my sandpaper. And I generally use my left hand to slide it, and one hand then I'll slide the blank on the tube. Somebody asked me, said, why don't you just slide this? Well, I can push it up like that, but what that does is grind off the end of my tube here. And on bigger pieces I have adapter bushings that go in here to make it fit this shaft. You'll mess up your bushings if you try doing that. So put it down on there, then slide it up close, and then push your blank up with your hand to sand it. Okay, you sand a little and you want to know where you are. Pull this up, look at it, and you should be able to see the end of your blank if the camera will focus. It's a little close for it to focus. This one's already been sanded and it's down just right. But you'll see the end of your blank, the end of your tube, and you want it just flush. Don't sand away the end of your tube and sand the metal away, because that'll give you problems making your pen fit. So that's using one with this is for a slimline pen, I think. It's a 7mm. So it fits the shaft. The shaft is 7mm. I'll do another one. I'm going to drill this this blank and put a tube in it for Sierra. Sierra and Wall Street both use the same tube, by the way, and several other pens. I'll get that done and come back and show you how you do one after this glue sets up and everything on here. See you in a little bit. Okay, as promised, I am back, and I'm going to show you how this works on this acrylic blank that I've got glued up here, and I'm almost ready to turn it. This is the Penn State bushing set. Don't matter if you're using my device or something similar to it, or using the Penn State aluminum. This is a really nice set to have. They're $49, which seems awful high till you figure out what it'd cost you to try to make it yourself. So I decided to splurge and get it. And I've got the 27/64 out. Got it in the blank here. Got a good bit to take off on this end. But put it over there. Set it down. Now it's a good idea to check your lathe with your square, your table with your square each time, which my square is in another room. I'm not going to go hunt it. But now I'm ready, as you can see, I'm ready to true this up. Now you won't be able to hear me when I turn this grinder on probably, but here we go. A little bit. Okay. Now if you can see this, let's see if it's focusing. You can see I just touched the end of the brass tube, on that end. Now I turn it around, put it on from the other side. And this one's almost down because I put it in close on that end, so it's only going to take a touch. That's all it needed. Put this back where it belongs. These come in a nice little case. Got a magnetic catch here. They're well worth the money if you've ever wrestled with one of these trying to get it square to where it would fit your pen. This works every time. Thank you.